Greetings. My name is Mai Graves, and my group members are Alexis Iglesias, Prince Naeem Aldine, and Jocelyn Jones. Together, we came up with our product, Clean Sweep. Our product's idea came from an everyday struggle that we all faced as teenagers doing chores. Our product, Clean Sweep's end goal was to eliminate the last line of dust that is often left behind when sweeping. The last line is often overlooked. However, we wanted to make cleaning a less dreadful task, and Clean Sweep would have guaranteed that. Our problem statement is, when you're sweeping, the average amount of dust collected is around 85% because of the last line of dust. As we were going through our ideas to come up with a solid project, we thought of turning a simple issue into a solvable problem. We chose to innovate a dustpan because the last line of dust is a common issue. However, it's always swept under the rug. Our product, Clean Sweep, will solve a problem millions face every day. We believe getting the job done right and efficiently is stronger than a job halfway complete. Clean Sweep completely does the job, not halfway. While several people have tried to create a product like ours, there hasn't been a successful breakthrough to collect the last line of dust, therefore demonstrating why our product is necessary. Our solution is we plan on adding an extra flap with replaceable material that dust is drawn to. Side, you see one of our final designs for our product. Below that one, there's a side view. In the picture with the side view, you can see how thin our product is, which allows the added piece to remain leveled with the original dustpan. The attached material we planned on using was Swiffer Sweeper-like material. We chose this material because we know that dust and dirt attracts to the material, and it was the most affordable. Our very first attempt at collecting data, we used our first prototype of our product. Since we didn't have the Swiffer Sweeper material yet, we used a Velcro-like material as the attraction to the dust under our prototype from Autodesk Inventor. In the first few trials of our data collecting process, we realized that the Velcro-like material wasn't collecting the last line of dust like we expected it to do. We quickly realized that in order for our product to move forward, we needed to get the Swiffer Sweeper-like material. Before we began distance learning, we started testing the Swiffer Sweeper material with our product's latest design. The pieces we created in Autodesk Inventor are designed for the dustpan in our classroom. This was the cheapest and most accessible dustpan for us, so that's why we picked it. A couple days in the classroom, we were finally able to get our product down to the thinness that we needed, and we finally had the Swiffer Sweeper material. Unfortunately, with the circumstances, we weren't able to get far enough to see if the Swiffer Sweeper material was the best material to get the last line of dust. Some of the challenges we faced were we had trouble with time management. We also had trouble with Autodesk in the beginning because we were rusty from 10th grade. But once we shook off the rust, we had trouble extruding our product, which was causing it to be too thick. After discussing the thickness with Mr. Simple, we decided to use a chemical bath to get rid of the excess material. We also had trouble with getting the material for the attachment, but Mr. Simple also helped us with that. Fortunately, we were able to overcome our challenges, and we would like to thank Mr. Simple for helping us overcome our setbacks and adding ideas to the pot when we had trouble coming up with a solution. Also, thanks for helping us stay on top of our project, even on the days when we didn't want to do anything in class except for talk. A special thank you to the countdown of 8 days left that hung in the classroom. It was truly an inspiration and a constant reminder of the little bit of time we have remaining. We would also like to thank Mr. Leslie for always adding constructive criticism to our ideas and talking about potential ways to make our product stronger. We couldn't have done it without you guys. Lastly, we are still saving the world one line of dust at a time. Thank you.